Hey developers, Siemens is hiring for the software engineering intern role and the work location is Noida. Talking about the required qualifications, enrolled in third or fourth in a university program with a major in CS. Means B.Tech graduates can apply for this role and the eligible batches is 2026 and 27. And talk about the required skills, required knowledge in data structures, object-oriented programming, algorithms, web programming, with programming languages like C#, JavaScript or TypeScript, modern SPA frameworks, and collaborative mindset, a drive to improve yourself and a team work. And other technologies like MS SQL, C#, GitHub Copilot, TSQLT, Visual Code Studio, SQL servers, version control systems. So these are the required qualification and skills, and here is the key responsibilities you can read to know more about this internship. So in this video, apply link below in the description and hit the like button, do comment and subscribe skilllayer for more job updates.